Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to download files from ChatGPT. So if ChatGPT created a file such as a PDF, Word document, spreadsheet, CSV, or zip, you can usually download it like this. So open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, click Library in the left corner. Now, once you're here at the top, you can choose images or documents. So let's say you want to download documents. So what you need to do to download it is to select this box right here to select the file. Then click download and it will be downloaded to your computer. If you want to download multiple files, you can select them just like so and click download and all of those files will be downloaded.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So the file will be saved to your device's default downloads folder, or you'll be prompted to choose a location. Now, if you want to download an image, so just click images right here next to documents and select the image just like so. You can select multiple images and click download, and those images will be downloaded to your computer. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.